How to add referral code on Athene Network. Are you guys facing issue to add referral code on Athene application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Athene Network on your mobile device. Once you open up your app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, now you scroll down. You can see the option for referral code. Click on it and write down your referral code. After you write down your referral code, click on update. As soon as you click on update, your referral code will be added. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add referral code on Athene Network. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Athene Network, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. See you in the next one. Bye bye.